Hi everyone, just I wanted to share my assembly, the spiral, and at the end I'd explain a little bit how I made it. So yeah, maybe it's help someone if you want to use the new array thing from Modo 13. So here I have my spiral. So you have some control. So you can maybe change the bias to create attention. So you can create some animation with the spring with the tension. So you can animate this one. So it's really nice. I use that for the watches animation to do the spring, and so you can change the radius inside, you can change the radius outside, you can change the number of steps. It's the quality of the point on the spiral. You can change the number of turn. You can change also if you want to offset the start and ending angle, so you can change also that to really fine-tune your spring. So you can also change the ending angle. You can create also the height, so you can really create some interesting effects. So if I put, so you can really create the nice one with the bias. Also you have the bias on the height, so you can really create some interesting effects. So yeah, I think it's really nice. So you can, if you want to, it creates a curve. So you can, if you want to create a polygon, so you can just create an extrude. So I take the polygon extrude and just need to extrude in Y. So maybe this one, and add a thickness 5 mm maybe. Yes, and now you have a nice spring. So yeah, you can change like you want. So if I put, so yeah, you have a nice spring. You can animate and stuff like that. So yeah, how I made it. So it's a little while. So I am in a holiday, and I take time to create this video. So I just finished a big project. So I made this a while ago. So I'm not sure if I remember all kind. I made it on this one, but I try to explain how it works. So I have my assembly here with the first. I just create a line if I this show this. So I just create a 2 point line, really straight, really simple, and I use the function, the new function curve to array. So with this one, you can resample your spline with the array. So I just put the step into my curve to array. So now I have the 200 step for my my array. So for my curve. And now if you use the um, array operator, so if you look on the Modo Geek channel, you have the smart clip array operator. So it explains a little bit how it works. So it's like a for loop for each element on the array. You can change the information on that, so and reapply on your spline. So that's what I did. So I have this operator. If you go to the line, I have my line, and when I go to the elements, I have um, my spring. So how it works? So just I have a split in half. So I have this one. It's the same of this one. So how it works? I extract the element I extract the element of each position of each array, and I redo the calculation to create the spring, and I go I resample and I put back again into the array operator. So here I have the input, it's my line, and here I have my output, it's my spring. But before that, it's create really, it pass on everything here to resample all the points of my line and give back the spring. So how I made that? So I just take the elements and I put onto the vector tree to extract only the y, because I have just the line. So my interest is just to pick from the 0 to the 200 the y position, and it's my I put the the line, if I don't mistaken, it's just 1 meter long, so I know the the average on each point to calculate my spring. So now I can so first what I did, so I create for if I try to put a little more tech. So here I just calculate the circle. So I take the here I just use here if you look the turn number. So I want to I don't know five turn. So with I multiply what 360 degrees, and here I just have my offset to change if I want to start a little bit more, a little bit less. So I just that, but in the principle, just the number of turn. So I have the number of degrees, and here I use the uh, the blend. This is it's the linear blend. It's allowed to me. I keep the y vector, so I know the vector go from 0 to 1. So just yeah, it just take the 0. If like I made an curve start to the 0, and I know it's 1 meter, so it's 1. So now I know the each step I have it here it gives me each element of the array. So I have the 1 meter divided by 200, and here I can recreate the I know each position, and I can put on the sinus and cosinus, and with this one it's create my just the circle of 1. So the dimension, it's just 1 circle. If I put this one on the output, it just create me a circle 5 times. And with this one I just with this one I adjust the starting and the ending radius of my spring. So if I go here, I have the expression here. This one it's for the bias. So the bias I found on the, because I started to learn Houdini, and I saw a bias effect on Houdini, and so here you have the formula to have that. So I just put the expression in Modo, the same, and it works. So it's really nice. So just I put this expression, and so I have the input is just only the 0.5. It's a normal behavior, and if you push on 1 or 0.5 on 0, it if I show you, so if I go to the here, see if I use the bias in out. So if I put on the 0, you saw all the spring in the start, and if I put close to the 1, we push all the elements. So yeah, just really simple expression, but really nice to use it. So with this one, it just give me a shift, like how we said, like a shift of the position, but the calculation is the same. So I just take the if I look, I just take the velocity the same. So it took me the step for each element. And if I let at 0,5, it's the same if I connect directly here. So it's the blend amount, it's the same than before. And here I have the input, it's the start, radius and the end radius. So just um, so it's just a blend between the start radius and the end, because with this one, if I connect directly here, I have for it start to 0 to 1, and it blends the position from 0 to 1, the value of my circle. So now I can put this one directly in the x and z value. So like here, like I said here, it just create me a circle, and here I multiply by the radius like I want. So here I have a circle of 1, and now I just can change the radius with the calculation of the radius in and out. So just like that. And the same, really the same for the height. So here I have the same formula. So I have the bias formula for the height, and just I put the height here. I put the bias height, and here I use the height. So here I um, directly put the height, and I shift with the bias, just that. So, and at the end I'd recreate all the vector to put into the array element, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, it's how it works. At the end, just here I output the array operator, and I create a curve. So I just use the create geometry. I think it was for the array, and yeah, I connect with the assembly. So you can connect every what do you want, and it create the cube. So yeah, that's it. So help it help someone, and yeah, have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.